Hi YouTube, this is the Victorinox Super Tinker and I'm urging you not to buy this because if you do, you may not buy another Swiss Army knife because this has great functionality for a 3-layer knife only weighing 84 grams. So please don't buy this. You might find you don't need another one. So why did I buy this? Well, I didn't buy it for myself. Honestly, I didn't. I bought this for my wife. I thought this would be a great Swiss Army knife to have in a handbag, and because it has a lot of functions. So let's just go through them quickly. It's got the large blade. So this is the typical Victorinox Swiss-made stainless inox Officer Swiss. So a nice size blade. As always, a good angle grind on this and super sharp. As well as that, it has the small blade. So this is 40 millimeters as opposed to the 70 millimeters on the larger blade. So 40 millimeters, that's about 1.75 inches. Then looking at the tools, we have the combination can opener and small flathead screwdriver. You can also use this for a Phillips at a pinch for some of the larger Phillips screws. Then on the other side we have the large flathead screwdriver as well as the cap lifter and wire bender. And then my favorite tool of all on this are the scissors. And these scissors are really excellent. They cut through just about anything. Super sharp, meet super well, and with the spring loading, they're so easy to use. I'm sure you've seen this on loads of other videos. Then on the back of this, we have the Phillips screwdriver, which you can see. It's in the middle, and it's not bad. You can get a decent torque. I'd prefer it on the end, but there aren't many Victorinox that have it on the end. There's also the strange hook device, so parcel carrying hook. If you look at some of Felix Imler's videos, he goes through a load of uses for this, and you'll find some other ones as well. And then as well as that, we have the all comes sewing needle, and which is really sharp. It's great for making holes in things, anything from wood to leather. I've not used it to sew with, but again, if you look at Felix Imler's channel, he shows you how to make a smock using just a Swiss Army knife, and particularly using this sort of needle here. Then finally we have the scale tools. So we have the tweezers, as always, and the toothpick. And of course the toothpick can be swapped out for a fire starter for a ferro rod. There are some kits out there to do that. So a really capable Swiss Army knife. It has a key ring as well if you want to put it on a key ring, although it's a bit heavy for that, I think, but it's great for putting a mini lanyard on. I think this would make an ideal handbag knife for my wife for those little jobs that she needs to do when I'm not around. Actually, she'll do them when I am around because she's very capable. So don't buy this. You may not buy another one. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe because it really helps me to know that I'm putting out the right sort of content. It really helps my channel and it gives me good ideas for what to work on next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.